Alright guys, what's up? We are in the fit right now. We are taking delivery, and as soon as we get to the Brian's house, I'll give you guys a walk around of the car. I ended up spraying the whole car Raptor liner fire red. It came out like amazing. So as soon as we get there, I'll give you guys a look at what it looks like. All right, so as you guys seen, I think the car turned out great. He ended up smacking a deer in the front end, so I had to do the whole front end on the car. I did the bumper, the fenders, had to straighten up a little spot on the hood, and then I Raptor lined the whole car because that's what he wanted. Here in about 2-ish weeks, it'll be back. We're doing a full sound system in it, and we'll have complete overview of what I do on that and how I do it. I didn't make any videos of me actually doing the car because it's kind of just repetitive of the same thing that I did the Jeep. Just me spraying a car over and over. But you've seen the outcome. I'm going to throw in a clip now. This is his Avalanche. We'll be redoing the system in it as well. But here we go.
Cheeseburger eating, finger fucking, booty popping, finger licking, cheeseburger eating, fucking bass in your face. It's DJ Rustical.
And this is just a quick touch base video with you guys. My allergies are killing me today. So I'm going to cut this one short. I have a box build that I did back there. I'll throw that in for you guys in the next video. I'm going to try to get back on my game of posting videos like I was. just this coronavirus. You know, I got all the kids here at the house. You know, between me and my lady, we got to take care of doing schoolwork. So now we're full-blown teachers. I didn't know how to degree in being a teacher, but we're a teacher. We're a lunchroom. We're a PE class. So it's been kind of hectic. Things are starting to level out now, though. So I'm going to get back on the game and post some videos. I've got a nice update for you guys on the shop. I'm waiting on Lowe's to deliver my wood because it was too much for me to bring home. We're doing a whole parking side on the shop. So I've rented an excavator. It was in the past 3 weeks. I dug out all of it. I leveled it out. We're ready for gravel. I just got to wait and get the lean-to actually built on the side of it. I mean, I've been doing things. It's just been hard to record between doing things and taking care of the niños. But I appreciate all you guys that have subscribed within the last, 3 weeks. I mean, it means a lot because it is a grind to make your subscribers, for those of you who don't know. So I do appreciate you guys subscribing. Continue to smash that like button, and I'll holler at you guys in the next video. I'm out.